Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to a very hot afternoon in Texas. Just wanted to drop a quick tip for you BMW owners, E90, E91, E92s. You might be having issues, with code P054B, cold start B camshaft position time over retarded bank 1. 9 times out of 10, man, it just means you need an oil change. Oil filter and oil change is usually what will fix that issue. I had this issue come up this past week. The car would die. It would the gas pedal would stop working and pretty much cut off on its own. No service engine light, no nothing, no flashing on the dash. That's the funny part. It just stopped working. So I looked at it, plugged in my scanner anyway, ran codes, and sure enough, that one pulled up as far as pending codes that was in the system. So sure enough, we haven't really ran the car hard, but there was one thing we did neglect, and that was doing an oil change. I think we were many miles way over, and pretty much the filter itself was cracked, and pretty much so much oil flow kind of makes the engine run just weird, and the sensors get thrown off. But basically that's the issue. Do an oil change on your car, use the proper oil, use the proper oil filter. I always use fcpeuro.com for all my oil change kits on all my cars, and they never fail. Only time this has failed is because we didn't do it. So E92s, E90, E91s, if you got that code popping up, or if your car is just running funny and you haven't done an oil change in a while, don't neglect it. Chances are that's all the problem is. So do an oil change, clear the code. If it comes back, then obviously you have more issues. But that code, if it's a bigger issue, that code will be accompanied with a second code. But if it's just that particular code, chances are 9 times out of 10, should be an oil filter and new oil that you're gonna need. Again, I always recommend using Liquimoly SA5W30. So just gonna need an oil change if that's the case. Just wanted to drop that quick tidbit. Whenever I learn new things like that, I like to let you guys know. So that's all I got, man. Stay cool if you're in Texas, and I'll see you in the next one. Give this video a like and subscribe for more content. Peace.